The new Samyang Remaster Slim have already 3 lens included with the modular system. This new Samyang Remaster Slim lens include 3 lens and with a small hard case. Hello guys, so today's vlog, join me as I put the new Samyang lens to the test and see if it's the slim design really makes it a perfect travel and vlogging lens. So guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So, let's unbox this new Samyang Remaster lens. Again, the Remaster Slim is inspired as a homage to the PNS film cameras. And it's represent the point-and-shoot concept to the modern technology, creating a unique, interchangeable optical lens that allows user to switch focal lengths easily. It is designed to preserve the warm and rich feel at the analog film while delivering digital image quality that compensates the limitation of classic lenses. Even the combined with the module, this lens remains extremely thin, compact, and lightweight, making it perfect for capturing everyday snapshots and landscape with maximum shooting freedom anytime and anywhere. So again, guys, this is the Samyang Remaster Slim. See, that's why slim, because totally slim. Remaster Slim. Yeah. So it's show here Remaster Slim. You have already your 2 optical lens set aside. And so this is your 2 optical lens, more similar with my eyes size. Yan. And again, the other one is already in the lens, which is here. We have the 28. Actually, you have 3 lens. It's called RS, so Remaster Slim, maybe RS. That's why RS. RS 28, which is we have 3 again. We have 3 RS 32 with f2.8 in 8.4 grams. We have also RS 28 3.5 aperture with 12.5 grams. And the last one is 21 millimeter f 3.5 with 12.6 grams. So, and this is the 3 lens. When you want to exchange, just rotate. Rotate clockwise, no, counterclockwise. Yeah, just rotate counterclockwise and pull. Then you can change the lens. So, ayan. So on today's vlog, we will test also in Sony because it's the Sony mount. So we will test for Sony A7C, and let's see the quality. If it is perfect for vlogging. For me, it's perfect. Actually, it's perfect for vlogging and for travel and content creator. It's slim and you have already 30. Again, you have 32, 28, and 21 millimeter lens in one box. Imagine, guys. And it's already autofocus. And the module includes auto and manual focus. Switch on the side. Yeah, this one. Manual and autofocus switch. And you have also USB-C. So you have USB-C at the down of the lens, which help you to firmware update the lens. So, and guys, let's test and check the quality to the Sony A7C Mark II. So this is the lens, guys, which is the RS or Remaster Slim. I'm using the RS21. I'm gonna show you how small and yeah. So this is the lens, guys, yeah, that I'm using with the Sony ZV-E1. See, imagine, guys, how small and thin the camera. So it's perfect for the Sony ZV-E1 A7C, and yeah, this is the quality of the Samyang RS or Remaster Slim 21 millimeter f 3.5. So my aperture is 3.5. I'm in the autofocus already, and yeah, this is the quality with the Sony ZV-E1. So let's try vlog. Let's try to use the Sony ZV-E1 to a vlogging mode, and let's see the focusing or the autofocus of the lens. So guys, this is the lens, the Samyang RS or Remaster Slim lens from Samyang. And we're using the RS21 3.5. So because this is the widest lens, so it's very good for vlogging. And yeah, this is the quality of the Samyang RS 21mm or Remaster. It's a kit with 21, 28, and 35. So I'm shooting with Sony ZV-E1. So on the next clip, I will show you some sample photos using the Sony A7 CR, maybe a CR or C. Or I think I will use the Sony A7 CR with the two lenses, the 28 and the 35, and we'll take some sample photos using the Sony A7 CR and the Samyang Remaster Slim, which is a 28 and a 35. So on this clip, I'm using again the Samyang RS 21mm. Yan, with the Sony ZVE1. So guys, this is the Sony A7CR with the new Samyang Remaster Slim. And I'm using the 32mm RS 32mm f2.8 and into the Sony A7CR, and let's take some sample photos using this lens and also the other optical, which is the 28mm f3.5. So let's go guys, and I'm gonna show you some sample photos using this camera and the lens, the new lens from Samyang, which is the Remaster lens. So guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, I test already the lens and it's perfect. Perfect guys. It's slim. The sides is perfect for Sony A7C. ZVE1. Yeah. ZVE1. Yeah. Correct. Correct. ZVE1, and yeah, it's perfect. E1. ZVE1. Yeah, sorry. It's perfect for the camera because it's compact. So, and with the compact lens, but you have already three lens. You have two optical extra. Again, you have 32, 28, and 21. And it's perfect for travel vlog, guys. Or especially you have only this hard case, very small hard case. Then you have already three lens, three focal lens again. So I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, I showed you already some sample photos and videos of the camera, of the lens. No, sample photo videos using the lens. And guys, it's for me, it's yeah, it's very useful, especially if you want a travel light, and if you have A7C, A7CR, A7C Mark II, ZVE1, and and even for 6700 series or 6000 series camera. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this Samyang Remaster lens, you can visit to our website www.abworld.com. Or if you want to see the actual lens, guys, you can come visit us here in Megastore Showroom, AB World, Symphony, Salmia, Kuwait. And guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, thank you and mabuhay.